David Harris, Principal Engineer for Intelligent Concrete. This morning I'm in the lab overseeing what's going on. I'm the chief for QA here in the lab. My job isn't to direct the lab. My job isn't to direct the people. My job is to serve as that independent review, that independent overlook to make sure everything's going right. It's a second opinion, a second look. So here I am down here doing that, taking a second look. I heard a rumor that we had a little bit of a mishap. We're an entry into the Follies Museum. So we're in the process of fixing that. And that's what QA is all about. We make sure we do it right, get it right, make sure it's right, check it to make sure it's right, send it out right. It has to be right. We are very particular about our CCRL certification and that we follow the specifications to the line, to the letter. So that's why I'm down here this morning checking things out. So we do good concrete, and let's go concrete.
Be asphalt!